I finally got a new lav mic.
This should be the audio coming from the new microphone.
After months of using inbuilt microphones, I finally invested in one, and I'm really keen in seeing how well this performs. I managed to get a cheap one off of Amazon, and if I like it, I'll be sure to include a link in the description below. So let's get to unboxing this bad boy. We have the warranty card details over here, some instruction manual, and the main product, which comes in a nice leather pouch. It's got a nice feel to it. Comes with some accessories. Okay, so this is the actual microphone part, and this is the part which plugs into your phone. So either your phone or your camera, and it has this toggle over here. So for some reason you can't see it on the camera, but you can toggle between the smartphone and the camera. Comes with a battery. And this one just slides on the mic over here. Just making sure it's going all the way through. Ah, okay. So turning this, that's where the battery goes. Not sure what that is or why it's required. Okay, so as per the instructions, if you're using a smartphone, no need for the battery, but if you're using it with a laptop or some sort of camera, then you will need the battery. Alright. I'm so glad they included a battery, otherwise I would have to run out and find one.
clip here is for clipping onto your clothes. Let's just quickly try and attach this as well. Looks to be pretty straightforward. How is that not gonna... okay. Okay. So you see this part right here? Let me just try and zoom in. So that groove should be able to be hooked onto here. Yeah, there we go. Snaps nicely into place. Now we just put that back on. That's how it should be. Testing 1, 2. Okay, so we are back, and when noise reduction, I think it's called, is off. Testing 1, 2. How's that? Should be the audio coming from the new microphone. Hopefully it's much better than the previous one. Looks to be very sensitive. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you like my content, please feel free to like and subscribe.